Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence. Some of you have reached out to me since I began my TikTok series here on YouTube and had a lot of really great questions about TikTok. Seriously, so many questions. So, today's video is all about TikToks for adults Q&A. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're doing business online today. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot when you do that. Now, if you're wondering whether you're too old to be using TikTok at all, let alone for business purposes, especially because Generation Z has such a huge presence on the app, but not for long, well, I just did a video that deals with that whole subject because that's a hot topic nowadays. So if you missed that video, you'll want to be sure to check it out. But here in this video, we're talking about TikTok for adults Q&A. I've got the A's for your Q's, and that sounded dirty when I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, after using the app since last year and helping my students to get on it and play with it, and having one grown from my family's business, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, to up to 120,000 followers or fans, I kind of do know my way around the app, and I'm going to be starting another app from scratch, so this way I can document the best ways to grow a TikTok account today for business purposes. And I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of what that's all about as I do it. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because, wow, the next few weeks are going to be packed with TikTok knowledge. In the meantime, let's get down to TikTok for adults Q&A. Question 1, why should an adult bother with TikTok? Here's my answer. TikTok is a video platform that is currently one of the most downloaded apps in the world. With an ever-increasing amount of users, it's got nowhere near enough content for users to consume. So if you were to create content and do it in a way that TikTok users tend to like, and you optimize it so that it can be found in search by your niche or the slice of society that your business is meant to serve, you can be found now by a lot of those members of your niche fast on TikTok. The organic reach can't be beat anywhere else out there right now. Question 2, isn't TikTok just being used by kids? My answer, it's true that Generation Z is still currently the majority of the users on the TikTok app. However, as the popularity of TikTok continues to grow, millennials, Gen Xers, and baby boomers are using the app too, in ever-increasing numbers, which is good news for you if you're an adult business owner who wants to get you some of that sweet, sweet, free organic reach. Question 3, can't I just get on TikTok later? Here's my answer. I would not wait on doing that. I'd grab an account name or profile name right now before you can't later because someone else, kid or adult, claimed it and now you're out of luck. You want to do that to protect your brand integrity, if nothing else. Plus, I can all but guarantee that members of your niche are on the app or getting on the app, putting a toe in the digital water, if you will, and the app's pretty addicting too. The average TikTok user is on the app for nearly an hour right now. Plus, yes, a lot of your reach might be going out to Generation Z, but here's 2 things to consider. 1, their parents might be monitoring their use of the app, see your business's content, and surprise, they're your ideal customer, and now they want to know more about you. Or 2, Generation Z can help you get a lot of social proof that will be a huge boon to you down the road because it came to you free and will help you nudge your way to the head of the line for attention and algorithmic reach with the actual members of your niche who are already on the app. And more people just like them are coming in ever-increasing numbers. I'm just saying. Question 4, this app is so crazy. What adults are on here? My answer to that, it's simple. Facebook started out as an app for college students only, and it was a far goofier place than it is now. People are sending like digital cupcakes and beverages to each other and stuff. So weird. And later, as its popularity began to spread, there were plenty of adults, me included, who initially thought it was like the dumbest thing ever. But now I do a lot of business on Facebook, and I can't imagine my life, personally or professionally, without it. Now, had I gotten into the swing of things a lot sooner, who knows where I'd have been by now. please don't make my Facebook mistake, but on TikTok, okay? Get in on the action while the getting's good, the attention is easily won over, and the current and future know, like, and trust factor that you can grow for your brand is experiencing a golden era of possibilities. You'll kick yourself if you pass this by. Question 5. I don't dance or lip sync. Now what? I do both, but poorly. Seriously, my answer to this question is you can just talk. You can share tips, tricks, life hacks, cool facts, talk shop very quickly per video, but you can do it. The possibilities are endless. So if you don't want to do the backwards hoodie challenge or virtually sing duets with a random tween out in who knows where, you do not have to. And the good news, when done well, pretty much all content is scoring big on TikTok right now. Question 6. Do I have to be great at tech or videos? Answer, nope. The production value doesn't have to be a big deal at all. When done in-app, your video editing options are decent, but we're not talking about you learning how to use crazy sophisticated editing software like you're busting out a major motion picture from your phone or something. In fact, a lot of creators on TikTok are saying that super high production value videos don't tend to score big on TikTok. The real life off the cuff kind of stuff, that scores big. And hey, what do you want for a 15 to 60 second video anyway, am I right? Question 7. How can you market in 15 to 60 seconds? My answer to this query is as follows. Remember Vine? Oh, how I loved Vine. R.I.P. Vine. The app only gave you a sparse 6 seconds in which to make your point. So a TikTok done to the maximum time length would be like 10 times as long, and plenty of small, medium, and large entrepreneurs were able to market effectively on Vine, including the Home Depot, Lowe's, Samsung, and more. Sure, you've got to get to your point quickly, but that's okay. You can still make a huge impact doing it. Lots of very successful marketing campaigns have been done in the past pre-TikTok, and they're doing it now big time on TikTok. Come and join them. In fact, over the course of this series, I'll show you how to make 15 to 60 seconds work wonders for your business, mama. So again, make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and get ready to make some serious marketing magic with me on TikTok. Question 8. I don't want to act weird or crazy. Will this work? My answer? Just be yourself and create and publish awesome content that you know your niche would love. But of course, it's got to be bite-sized. And have that content be pure value, education, entertainment, or inspiration that's got everything to do with the interests that your niche has that your business can serve. That's all. It's really not complicated. You're overthinking it. Now, make sure you hit that notification bell because in the next part of this TikTok series, I'll address what may be one last lingering concern that you might have about TikTok before getting into it, even as an adult, which is that app safe to use? I'll go over what to do to protect yourself and your family so that you can market on TikTok in a way that's both fun and safe. So don't miss that video. Again, make sure you hit that notification bell and select all so that you can follow along with this entire TikTok series that I've got to offer you. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that video, be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos as well. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot when you do that. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.